Should you replace your appliances if you're thinking about selling your property? It depends. All right, look, if you have a nice home, nice kitchen, nice appliances, everything is nice inside, and the appliances are the sore point, yes, replace it. You definitely want to make everything nice, right? Everything uniform. Now, things change if you're thinking about a rental property, or perhaps it's a property that is a fixer-upper, or perhaps a property that it's outdated. Under those circumstances, I would say, no, you don't need to replace it. As a matter of fact, if the appliances do not look good, they're not functional, throw them away, get rid of them. You don't necessarily need to replace them. You can actually, leave the empty slots where the stove or the refrigerator goes. And then when you find a buyer, you just negotiate the price for the lack of the appliances. Okay? If you have any questions, message me. Have a great week.